Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed fruit juice. First, gather your ingredients. Choose a colorful assortment of fresh, ripe fruits like berries, oranges, and bananas for the best taste. Thoroughly wash all your selected fruits under cool, running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Next, peel and core fruits as necessary, discarding any seeds or tough parts. Finally, cut your fruits into small, manageable pieces, roughly 1-inch cubes, to ensure easy blending. Now it is time to blend your delicious concoction. Carefully transfer all your prepared fruit pieces into a high-speed blender. Add about 1 cup of a liquid base, such as filtered water, coconut water, or a splash of orange juice, to help with blending. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture achieves a perfectly smooth consistency. For a colder, thicker juice, add a handful of ice cubes before blending. After blending, it is important to taste your juice and adjust it to your liking. If you prefer a sweeter drink, consider adding natural options like 1 tablespoon of honey, maple syrup, or a couple of pitted dates. For a brighter, more refreshing flavor, a squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice works wonders. If you desire a pulp-free experience, simply strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve into a clean pitcher. Your homemade mixed fruit juice is now ready to be enjoyed. Pour it into your favorite glass and serve immediately for the freshest taste and maximum nutrients. For an extra touch, garnish with a colorful fruit slice or a fresh sprig of mint. If you have any leftover juice, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For the best quality, consume your delicious, chilled juice within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.